Hi guys, I am at the police station. I'm here to report a case. I got robbed this morning on my way to the taxi rank, and everything just happened so fast. Everything just happened so fast. I couldn't scream, I couldn't shout, my legs, I couldn't feel my feet. I got instantly hot. It was just painful. So my mom and I don't know how to explain to you guys. My mom got me at the police station now. So she asked me a few questions, asking me to describe and give a description of the three guys. And for some reason, after giving my mom the description of the three guys that robbed me, my mom just shut down. She don't say a word, she don't speak. All she asked me was, don't open a case. But I just got robbed now, you know what I mean? Like, I just got robbed and I feel like I should open this case. So when I confronted my mom and asked her, listen, why shouldn't I open this case? I just got robbed. I could have lost my life. She said to me, Wazim, for all these years, did you never hear the father in your life? I know I told you that your father passed away, but based on your description, my son, you got robbed from your father and his two brothers.